Hello, welcome back guys on your YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to see how we create a Metamask account. So you have to open any browser. Here I'm using Chrome browser. So and then you have to search here Metamask. Press enter. After that you can see the first link and now you have to click on that link. After that you can see the dashboard and now you can see here the get Metamask button. So you have to click on that button and you have to wait for some time. It will be redirect to another page. Now click on add to Chrome, then add extension. You have to see here pop up. Click on add extension to add Metamask in your Chrome extension. So you have to wait for some time. It will be depend on your internet speed. Whereas you can see Metamask successfully installed and it will be redirect on the Metamask dashboard. Now you have to create a new wallet for your account. So you have to I agree to Metamask term and conditions. So you have to tick on that and then create a new wallet. If you have any another wallet, you just import your wallet. Now we are create a new wallet. So you have to click on that button and now we have to here agree the term and condition and then press the I agree button. Then you create your password and then agree the term and condition and create a new wallet. Click on that secure my wallet and then click reveal secret recovery phrase, and now you can copy this phrase and just copy on the notepad for your confirmation. Then click on next button. Now you have to verify. So here the third word you can see on notepad. So 1 2 3 is the laundry and just copy and then paste, and the fourth after laundry dash just copy and then paste. Same here after that just copy and paste and then confirm your account. Here you can see wallet creation successful. Just click on got it button and then next done, and now your account is successfully created. Now as you can see here, and you can press on that extension button and you can see here Metamask, and after that click on Metamask button. Your dashboard is showing like that. Thank you for watching this video.